enough of my monkeying around. This is the BC Rich entry-level Mockingbird, $250 from Musician's Friend. Great little guitar. Had to do a little bit of work on the Floyd. Had to drop the bridge, oil up all the machine screws and threads and whatnot, so everything works real good. Brought the tension piece underneath up a little bit, which pulls out a little bit more. I put gauge 8 strings on it. I didn't mess with the truss rod. It seemed to be fine, and the intonation on it is great. I'm amazed. You know, listen to that. The D and the E. It's wild. Maybe off. It might be out of tune just a hair, but amazing guitar for $250, man. It's really cool. Let's see. So you've got a master volume and a master tone. 3-way selector. All the way down is your bridge. This is what it sounds like. I'm using just distorted like rock tones right now. It's got great clean tones. Like if you switch the amp to clean tone or whatever, it's wonderful clean tones too. But I'm just messing around with the rock sounding thing today. So here's what it sounds like with the treble all the way up on the bridge pickup. Nice little tone, and then you turn the treble all the way off on the bridge pickup, and you kind of smooths it out, muffles it. So we'll go to the center selector, which is both pickups, master volume and tone. This is kind of neat with the center pickup with the treble rolled all the way off. You get kind of a real, almost like a Les Paul kind of sound. I'm going to turn the treble up. It's pretty cool too. Got a nice little howl there. Then your upper selector there is the front pickup. Which adds a little more bass kind of to the whole deal. It's kind of cool. And then you roll a treble off on that one, and it gets a real smooth kind of, almost like Robert Fripp kind of tone. So these pickups are pretty nice sounding pickups, actually. I was pretty surprised. I was pleasantly surprised. But at any rate, this is the BC Rich bolt-on neck Mockingbird for $250. Body, the body is basswood, traditional die-cast peg head deals. It's got the neck wood is made out of maple. The fretboard is rosewood, and these diamond inlays, I like them. They're wonderful. But I can't figure out what kind of material they are. I'm not sure if they're really pearl inlays. They look pearlish. I don't know. It didn't say. in the advertisement. So, but either way, they're wonderful. They're in there really well. There's no hanging edges where the inlays drop below the surface of the fretboard. Everything's really nice on it. It's amazing. 24 frets. They're super jumbo frets, I guess. And boy, do they chime and bell. You pop a harmonica on this thing and it jumps. It will jump. The harmonic sweet spot on this guitar happens to be like somewhere right in here. It's really weird. You can get some back here, but they actually pop better up here. I don't know why. Stays in tune pretty good. I might still need to final tweak some of the spring tension in the underneath, but it's pretty darn close. Not bad. It's a cool little guitar for $250. That's all I know. That's a BC Rich Mockingbird for $250 for Musician's Friend. Thank you, BC Rich, and thank you, Musician's Friend, for a cool guitar. Very nice.